What's going on, everybody? This is Brian once again. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about a problem that I've been facing with my Mavic Mini. So the problem is, whenever I'm flying, say I'm taking a turn, like I'm going straight and then I'm going this way or that way, and whenever I'm doing that, or I'm taking a panning shot, so the drone is stationary and it's panning left or right, the video starts to jerk or it starts to skip frames. It looks like it's skipping frames. So initially I thought maybe I was doing something wrong, and I'm going to give you a very small and a brief demonstration of what's happening. As you can see, as I'm panning the drone to the left or to the right, or I'm taking a turn, the video, while it's recording, it's starting to skip frames, or it's becoming jerky or shaky, or you could call it choppy. So like when I come back home, I'm really upset. I'm trying to fly and then capture a smooth footage, but I'm not getting that. So like it's really upsetting because I don't get the time to fly all the time. And part of the problem could be the memory card. Let me just give you a small demonstration of the memory card that I'm using. It's right here, and it's a SanDisk 128 gigabytes, and it's U3 class 10 memory card that I'm using. This is the one that's recommended by DJI itself. And this particular memory card, has a writing capacity of 90 megabits per second. And to be very honest, this is my GoPro 7 Black, and I used the very same card on this to record 4K videos at 60 FPS, and I get silky smooth video on this one. I do not get any jerky or choppy videos on this GoPro. And if you will notice, those of you own the Mavic Mini, they know that Mavic Mini records the video at a max bitrate of 40 Mbps. So as a proof, there you go, right there. You see it? This is from the DJI website, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've tried several things, like the shutter speed. I've set the shutter speed to double of what the frame rate I have on the camera on the Mavic Mini as I'm flying. That didn't work out. I've tried putting on, like I've put a high shutter speed at maybe 30 FPS and a shutter speed of 1/240, but it still did not work out. As you can see, I've shown you the footages, several occasions where I have tried to fly the drone, tried to do a pan, and then the videos were like choppy. So it's going smooth and then it just chops out. I don't know what's going wrong. So, and just so you know, I have the DJI Fly app turned on. This is not connected to the drone right now, but I just want to show you something. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong, so I just want to get things clarified, because it's really upsetting. You go out, you try to take a footage. I'm not sure. There's an option. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's an option that says video caching. So like as you're recording the video, the footage from the drone 720p is being sent to this device, and that's getting recorded. That's just for your previewing purpose. Like maybe you're on a train, you're heading back home, and you just want to review your footage. You don't want to load up the memory card. And just so you know, I have a desktop computer which is perfectly capable of dealing with 4K resolution, no problems, because I've been editing 4K videos from my GoPro right here, GoPro Hero GoPro 7 Black, and then I have no issues with those. I get silky smooth footages, but it's the drone footage, the 2.7K, 30 FPS, 24 FPS, 25 FPS, none of the combinations work. So like what I have decided, I just received this Samsung Evo Select 256 gigs. I just want to put this card into my drone, and I want to see like if this does really make a difference. And one more thing I'm gonna do is I will turn this option off, because and then I'll do a flight, I'll do a test, and then maybe I'll get back to you guys. But in the meantime, if any of you drone owners, particularly the Mavic Mini, if any of you own it and you're facing the same kind of problem, please drop your problem or your kind of problem in the comment section below. And previously I have had an issue with the drone's gimbal, and the link is right here on the top. You can check out the warranty procedure and what kind of things I've faced from DJI. Yeah, hands down, like, they have great customer service. I have not been paid or um, given any kind of incentive to say these things. No, sorry. All kind of videos, reviews, unboxings, whatever I do it with my own money. I have not been sponsored to say these things, okay? So as of now, I just want to try out this particular memory card. This one also has the exact same specs as the SanDisk Extreme, and I just want to give it a shot. Let's see what happens. And as I can see, like, on top of the card, the Evo Select, there's a picture of a drone too. So it looks like this is particularly, this memory card is particularly made for drone usage as well, for like high-end videos, 4K or 2.7K videos. It's perfectly capable. And 40 Mbps bitrate for a video on a small drone, this is nothing. The GoPro records at 100 and I get silky smooth footage at 4K and 60 FPS. I don't know, like, what's wrong. So if you guys have had any issues with your Mavic Mini, please give me a knock on the comment section. Let me know what your problem was. Could you fix the problem, or you did something, maybe a firmware update? Oh yeah, just so you know, I am on the latest firmware as of June 26th, so I really don't know what's going on. So next time I fly, I will have my apps video caching when recording to be off, and I will be using a new memory card. If you guys have any updates, please let me know. And if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. I've got other footages if you want to take a look at them. And yeah, thank you very much for staying with me. Peace out, guys.